Hello friends, welcome to your own channel. In this video, I want to have a review about Xiaomi Redmi K60 Ultra. This phone is inside a black and stylish box, and when I touched the box, I think it was a little bit different from other boxes. It was satisfying for me. There is a default phone frame and an 120 watt charger inside the box. About design, I like it, but it wasn't great. In the behind of this phone, there is a linear pattern like Poco F5 Pro, and there is a frame over the cameras that's inclined towards body. Behind of this phone is shiny. I mean, you can see yourself, but I really don't like this feature because your fingerprint remains on the body, and I love phones when they are clear. We have a power and volume button on the right side, a microphone, a speaker, and an infrared port on the top, a speaker, main microphone, and SIM cards at the bottom of the phone. You can use two SIM cards at the same time, but this phone doesn't support any SD card or external memory, but I really think this phone doesn't need any SD card or external memory. It's important to remember the main features of K60 Ultra are inside the phone, not beauty or appearance. At the first of all, phone has an OLED screen, and it has the brightest screen in the world. It's 2600 nits, and the screen refresh rate is 144 Hz. The chipset is Dimensity 9200. So I think you won't have any problem when you are playing graphic games, for example Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, or something like this. This phone has 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, but there is some weaker versions, for example 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. About cameras, there are 3 camera lenses behind the phone. Main camera is 50 megapixel, ultra wide lens which is 8 megapixel, a micro lens which is 2 megapixel. And about resolution and video refresh rate. Here we have a 8K resolution with 24 FPS, 4K resolution with 30 and 60 FPS, and 1080 pixel resolution with 30, 60, 120, 240 and 960 FPS. About selfie camera, it's 20 megapixel and it's 1080 pixel for resolution with 30 and 120 FPS. There is a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and the maximum charging power is 120 watts. So it's interesting to know this phone can reach 0% to 100% in just 20 minutes. It's so fast. In general, Xiaomi Redmi K60 Ultra is a monster gaming phone which is economical, and it's also okay for everyday use because of its design. And the price of this phone, I mean the version that has 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, is $500. Well guys, it's end of the video, and if you like to have a comparison between Xiaomi Redmi K60 Ultra and Samsung S23 Ultra, please comment us. Thanks for watching this video, and wait for more videos.